Hi there. Kaiser and I decided to go to this new park here. I forgot the name of it, but oh, there's a sign. I will let you know what it is. Come on, Kaiser. It's like a nice trail park with an outlook tower, and not too far from. There it is. There it is. Tillie K. Fowler Regional Park. All right. Let's see. Let's check it out. What they have to offer. He's gotta have to sniff everything. Oh, there it is. Observation tower. So that's where we're going. Come on, Kaiser. Let's go to the observation tower. Of course, everything has to be sniffed. I guess he's a dog. It's pretty cool that here in the woods, beside all these ash trees and whatever, there's palm trees here. It's pretty interesting. Different outtake being in the woods. I wish they would have had that in like Ohio or so, but I guess not. But it's nice trail here. I mean, look at this. This is all just, yeah, like a boardwalk. And that used to be, I guess, a road at one point. Well, it still is. I don't know, it doesn't look like it's used very much. And it's brick. I mean, check it out, guys. It's brick. Very different. Yeah, Kaiser's thirsty. It's actually not too hot today. I would say it's in the high 80s here. Not too humid. Right, Kaiser? All right. Let's hope this is the way to go. It's not too far. We'll see. Well, looks like this way, Kaiser. And there's part of that road again. Huh. Okay. Let's go this way, Kaiser. Yeah, this is definitely a nice trail, guys. I mean, well taken care of. They have nice benches. Very clean, except a few things people throw away. Of course, there's nothing. What else is new? I think we just arrived here at this observation tower, overlook tower. Let's go up there, Kaiser. Maybe we have a nice view. Okay, let's go up here, Kaiser. Come on. Okay, up the stairs. Okay, one more stair, one more flight. Come on. Come on. And here we are. Wow, looks very swampy. There it is. There's a river there, further in the distance, as you can see. Well, anyway, this is it. Kaiser and I made it. Huh. Okay. All right, let's go back. So we're walking back. Oh, it's probably back and forth. I would say it's close to a mile. Longer than I expected. So, well, we're almost at the nature center, and then go back in the car, right, Kaiser? It's a good exercise walk for both of us. Enjoyed it. We're not exposed to the sun, which is good. I mean, I couldn't imagine. Well, that's why we're in the woods, right? Duh. But anyway, oh yeah, it's called the Brick Road. Well, yeah, it's made out of bricks. Interesting. Was maybe at one point a supply road or something. Who knows? I'll have to read up a little bit on the history here about this park. See you back at the car. And we are back at the nature center. Yeah, so that was a nice little new discovery of a different park. Guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. And I'll see you on my next adventure with Kaiser. Right, Kaiser? I think he had enough. See you soon, guys.